So hello guys and welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're gonna talk about how to send stickers on Monopoly Go. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So how do you send stickers on Monopoly Go? So to send stickers, you'll have to have extra stickers in your albums. Located here in the bottom right corner of your screen, you will see here the stickers that you have owned, and it will say there if you have any extras. So to tap to trade in an extra, so it's just fairly simple. So all you have to do is just go to the stickers, and let's just say this one. If you have an extra, you can send it to someone else or not. And you will see in the bottom part of your screen, send button. Hit that button and select the friend to send the sticker to, and the sticker will be on its way. So remember, you must be connected to Facebook if you like to send some stickers to your friends. So as you can see here, it just popped up. Join our sticker trading group. So you will have to post stickers even you're missing, trade extra stickers, and make new friends and win awesome rewards. So you can join the group that is linked here they will give you in Monopoly Go. So that's how you send stickers in Monopoly Go, and thank you for watching this video. See you again next time.